Hello children, we are revising the chapter 4. This is a very important chapter as you are learning about the harmful insects and the useful insects. You are staying at home nowadays. You know the reason? Yes, you all know. A deadly virus is spreading very fast and it spreads through the touch. So it is advised to stay at home and wash your hands with soap and water at least for 20 seconds. Are you following that? Yes, we have learned about the harmful insects and in this part, revision part 3, we are going to learn about the useful insects and if the harmful insects are around us, what preventive measures we should take to avoid the bites of the insects or how not to allow them to enter our house. We will learn the remedies. If the insect has done some harm, what are the remedies? How can we get well fast? We will read about all these things. So, go through the chapter properly. Children, we are revising the chapter 4. We have revised till the harmful insects. Now we will revise about the useful insects. You all know that some insects are useful to us. Insects like honeybees gives us honey and bee wax. Honey is a nourishing food material. It is also used as a medicine. Bee wax is used to make candles, polishes, etc. Children, do you like honey? You can have honey with the bread or the parathas. It is very tasty and it has many benefits also. So you should eat honey in your breakfast. Now insects like butterflies and honeybees, they help in pollination of flowers. Pollination of flowers results as formation of fruits and seed from flowers. We get silk from silkworm. The silk thread is produced by the silkworm and that silk thread is used to make the silk clothes. Silk cloth is used to make saris and the wearing material. The dress materials are made out of silk. Children, now sometimes the insect bites us. We should know what to do if an insect has bitten us. Our parents know all the things, but you should also know about the remedies. Read them carefully and listen it now carefully. You have already heard them in the chapter, but now I am going to revise it, so you have to listen it carefully. Rubbing off an ice pack on the affected area of insect bite gives relief. What to do? Take some ice cubes from your refrigerator and tie those ice cubes in a handkerchief and rub that ice pack on the affected area. That gives lots of relief from the insect bite. Use an anti-allergy medicine. It gives relief from itching, swelling and redness of skin caused by insect bites. Anti-allergy medicines we can get from the medicine shop. After eating them, we can have some relief from the itching and the swelling and the redness of skin. Calamine lotion is an excellent itching relief substance. Calamine lotion, we again get it from the chemist shop, and if the insect bites us, we can use that calamine lotion. You should keep this in your house whenever some insect bites someone. This can be used. It is applied over affected area, and a paste of baking soda can be applied on the affected part of wasp or bee sting. Baking soda you can find in your kitchen, and take some baking soda, take a spoon of baking soda, put some water in it and make a paste of it, and that can be applied on the affected part of wasp or bee sting. It gives a big relief. Now we can take some preventive measures. What are they? You can see in the picture the naphthalene balls. Have you seen them? Yes, I think you all have these naphthalene balls in your houses. Don't touch. They are poisonous things. We use them to kill the insects. Use naphthalene balls or neem leaves to protect clothes from insects. These naphthalene balls are put in between the clothes so that insects cannot harm them. Neem leaves are also dried and put in between the clothes, the layer of clothes, to protect from the insects. And remember children, after touching the naphthalene balls, you wash your hands very properly. Wear long sleeved clothes to protect yourself from mosquito bites. When you go to sleep, wear long sleeved clothes that your body, the arm will be, the hands will be covered and the mosquitoes will not be able to bite. So remember to wear long sleeved clothes. Make your night dress of long sleeves. Do not allow stagnant water to collect in containers, pots, tires, buckets, etc. because mosquitoes lay eggs in them. Don't let the water stand near your house. What happens? The mosquitoes lay eggs. They sit on the standing water and they lay eggs. After some days, the eggs hatch and the baby mosquitoes enter our house and they can harm us. Use mosquito repellent creams and coils to protect yourself from mosquito bites. You can see in the picture the mosquito repellent cream and the mosquito repellent coil. Have you ever used them? It is better to use them than getting the bites of the mosquitoes. Always sleep in a mosquito net to protect yourself from mosquito bite. See that child in the picture sleeping under a mosquito net, and the child is protecting herself from being bitten by the mosquito. You can also do this. Always remember to sleep in a mosquito net to protect yourself from the dangerous diseases like malaria and dengue and chikungunya. Apply chemicals on furniture to kill termites present in it. Use insecticides to repel insects like cockroaches and mosquitoes. I have already discussed about the insecticides. They are chemicals, and after using them, we should wash our hands properly. Insecticides are harmful for our health. So whenever you use the insecticide, remove all your food from there. They can harm the food. It is only used to kill the cockroaches and mosquitoes. And remember to cover the cooked food properly to protect it from insects. Otherwise, you know what happens. The insects come and they contaminate the food. Now, there are some things to remember. We have read all these things in the chapter. Now, I am going to read this again for you. So, please do remember these things. Insects are present all around us, and insect's body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. The hard outer covering of an insect's body is made up of chitin. Most insects have 6 legs. Some insects have wings also. The life cycle of a butterfly has 4 stages: egg, caterpillar, pupa and adult butterfly. Insects living together in groups or colonies are called social insects. Insects like mosquitoes, ants, termites, flies, cockroaches, bees and wasps are harmful insects. Insects like honeybees and butterflies are useful to us. Hi children, we have finished the chapter. We have done the revision also. We have completed till chapter 4 in science and you have done till chapter 4. All the assignments are complete till chapter 4. Write them properly in your copy and learn them. Take a rough copy and practice writing the answers in the rough copy and drawing the pictures in that rough copy. Okay, thank you.